Hello everyone, myself Kalpana Chaudhary, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Srirampur. We have started our topic chemical bonding from 11th standard, and today we are going to see the molecular orbital description of simple diatomic molecules. And today we are going to see the example of H2 molecule. Now, hydrogen molecule that is formed by linear combination of atomic orbitals of hydrogen atom. And here we know that hydrogen, its atomic number is 1. When two hydrogen atoms, they combine together, and when linear combination of the atomic orbitals of hydrogen takes place, then here we will get formation of H2 molecule. Now here there are total 2 number of electrons present in H2 molecule. When there is linear combination of atomic orbitals of 2 hydrogen atom takes place, then here obviously there are 2 electrons present in the molecular orbitals of that hydrogen molecule, and hence the electronic configuration of this H2 molecule that is given by electronic configuration of H2 molecule, that is given by sigma 1s to sigma star 1s 0. Here we know that in case of molecular orbital theory, whenever that electronic configuration is filled, that is according to the above principle, Hund's rule, and here Pauli's exclusion principle is applied. And here both the electron that goes into the bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma 1s 2, and here sigma 1s orbital, that is empty orbital. Now here if we see the molecular orbital diagram for this hydrogen atom, then here diagram is shown as follows. Here increase in energy level, we have to consider here energy level. Now here we have to consider hydrogen atom and its 1s atomic orbital that is having single electron. Now here second hydrogen atom that combines linearly with the another hydrogen atom. Here the atomic orbital is 1s atomic orbital and that is having single electron. Now here when linear combination of both these hydrogen atom takes place, there is formation of 2 molecular orbitals. One is bonding molecular orbital and second one is anti-bonding molecular orbital. And also we know that the bonding molecular orbital form that is having lower energy than the corresponding atomic orbitals, and hence here that lower energy orbital of this H2 molecule that is shown below the atomic orbital energy level, and this bonding molecular orbital of this H2 molecule, that is nothing but sigma 1s. Now here this one is the sigma 1s molecular orbital of the H2 molecule, and here both electron they are present in this sigma 1s orbital, and here the spin of both the electron is shown oppositely in this molecular orbital diagram. And here the another molecular orbital, that is anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is having higher energy than the corresponding atomic orbital of that particular atoms. Now here hence that anti-bonding molecular orbital of this H2 molecule that is shown here, and that is nothing but sigma star 1s for hydrogen molecule. and this sigma 1s or sigma star 1s antibonding molecular orbital of hydrogen molecule, that is empty. And so this is the MO diagram for the H2 molecule. Now we know that bond order for any molecule, that is given by the formula bond order is equal to number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons. Number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons divided by 2. Now in case of H2 molecule, there are 2 electrons present in the bonding molecular orbitals. So here 2 minus anti-bonding molecular orbital is empty, that is 0. Now here divided by 2, so 2 divided by 2, that will give us 1. That is bond order in H2 molecule is 1. That means here between 2 hydrogen atoms in H2 molecule, only 1 covalent bond is present. And here the bond length is given by 74 picometer. And the bond dissociation energy observed in case of H2 molecule, that is given by 438 kilojoule per mole. And in this way that molecular orbital diagram is shown for this H2 molecule. Here 1s atomic orbital of this hydrogen atom that linearly combines with 1s atomic orbital of the second hydrogen atom, and due to the linear combination of atomic orbitals, two molecular orbitals are formed. So one is bonding molecular orbital, that is nothing but sigma 1s, and this sigma 1s having lower energy than the corresponding 1s atomic orbitals of both hydrogen atom. So that is shown below. And here sigma star 1s molecular orbital that is having higher energy than this 1s atomic orbital of both hydrogen atom. So that is shown at the higher level. And according to the electronic configuration of this H2 molecule, both electrons goes into the sigma 1s bonding molecular orbital. So here both electrons are paired and their spin is neutralized to form this H2 molecule, and the bond length observed is 74 picometer. And here this sigma star 1s antibonding molecular orbital, that is empty because here only 2 electrons are present in the H2 molecule, and so that is having this ABMO sigma star 1s that is having higher energy than this corresponding 1s atomic orbital, and so that is shown at this point. And here linear combination of this molecule takes place. So this one is the molecular orbital energy diagram for H2 molecule. Thank you.